How to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Hello everybody, my name is Mal, here to guide you through the way. And to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure that you go on the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone and then install the latest version of Facebook. Either you can also go on Google Chrome, and on the top search bar you can type Facebook and then open your Facebook and log into it. On the top right side, both your app and your Chrome, you will see there is 3 vertical lines. From that, tap on the option of settings and on the see more account center option. After this, an interface will pop up in your screen. You will see many things on your screen, and now what you can do is simply tap on accounts. By tapping on this, you will see the account that you have logged in from your Facebook or from your Google Chrome, any of it. Now what you can do is simply tap on remove and then the account will be removed. And if you want to add more account, then just tap on switch account, log into the switch account or log into account, and you can simply add more accounts on your Facebook from Google Chrome or your Facebook app. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please just thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Do suggest us more videos on the comment section and give us more suggestions. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one.